first thing we're going to do is clear everything off this table, get the ventilation system off, and unplug everything. Alright, now I'm going to actually move the laser out of the way for now so we can use this table to unbox the extension kit. Alright, now for one of the fun parts, getting it unboxed. Alright, there we have it. Everything's unboxed. Alright, now that we've got everything unboxed, we're actually going to switch over to our actual machine and disassemble everything. Alright, I'm not going to film this part in great detail because I assume you've already assembled your xTool laser at this point for the first time, but we will get it in detail when we reassemble with the extension kit. Alright, got it completely disassembled here. Now we're going to be removing the slider and timing belts from the original arms. You do that by taking out that screw right there. You're going to need to pull the belt out of that little clip that it's in so that you just get this piece. Okay, next up we're going to remove the motor from the other arm. These 4 screws right here. Then we'll take out the belt with that screw again. Alright, now we need to remove these limit pieces. Alright, next up we're replacing the timing belts to the extended ones. There's a little screw in there we're going to need to take out so we can get this wheel off and get the belt off. Alright, now I'm going to get the new belt on. Alright, now we're going to take the new timing belts and put them back onto each one of their sliders, just like that. Alright, next we need to install the slider onto the new rails. We need to install the motor. Alright, next we have to install these limit pieces onto the motor arm. Now we need to install the slider. We got both the arms ready and we got all our parts here. We're going to go ahead and reassemble it minus the electronics. If you want a video about assembling it, you can check out right here for that. I'm going to reconnect the new electronics. Now we're going to reattach the laser and get these cables connected to the laser's arm. Alright, that completes the assembly of the extension kit on our xTool.